Yeah, well, this is my attempt at your trench, mate, and I reckon I've done a pretty good job. Like I'd say, yeah, I've been doing this kind of thing since 1985, so it's a passion, and I love doing it. And thanks to you, I can do it even better. So now, if you look closely, there is barbed wire there. Right, one tree. Now this scale is 1 to 16. This scale, okay. So it means 1 to 16 scale. There's more barbed wire there. Okay. Sorry it's all jerky, I'm on a webcam, so that's your idea, Will, and I reckon it turned out really well. The radio there I've got to build up. There's still some more to do on it, but I'm just sending you it's not the final product yet, but you know what I'm saying, it's in the works. Your terrain, Will, that you showed me how to do. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Really happy. It's going to look awesome. Actually, it looks awesome now, but you know. Alright, mate. Thanks for everything, eh? Stay in touch.